Okay student, now after perimeter and area we start to do revision of introduction to algebra. In your book this is a chapter number 7. Okay, in this see use of letters as symbols for numbers, कि हम numbers के symbol के लिए represent कर रहे हैं letters को. Study the following. Some statements are given to you. There are some marbles in this bag. If 5 marbles are taken out, 27 marbles are left. We don't know how many marbles there are in a bag according to the given statement. There are some marbles in this bag. एक bag है, उस bag में कुछ marbles है. So many marbles in this, and if 5 marbles are taken out, अगर इसमें से 5 marbles को बाहर ले लिया जाए, 5 marbles are taken out, then 27 marbles are left. In this 27 marbles are left. Then can we calculate how many marbles in this bag? 5 taken out, then 27 left. It means if we add these two, 27 plus 5, that is equal to 32. It means in this bag we can find out 32 marbles. Okay, now see, it means we can show something minus 5 is equal to 27, then something is equal to 27 plus 5 is equal to 32. Then it is not easy for us that we are showing this fill in the blanks with any figure. But if we take any letter here, suppose I take x minus 5 is equal to 27. What is the x here? Let the number of marbles in a bag is equal to x. It means we are showing, we are representing, we are using letters एज अ सिम्बल्स फॉर नंबर्स. उस नंबर को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हम लेटर्स का यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ. देन x इज इक्वल टू 27 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 32. सी द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. देयर वर सम मैंगोज इन द बास्केट. एक बास्केट में सम मैंगोज है. सीमा पुट 10 मैंगोज मोर इन द बास्केट. एक बास्केट है, उसमें कुछ मैंगोज हैं. Seema put 10 more mangoes in this. She put 10 more mangoes in it. Now there are 30 mangoes. अब जो टोटल कि 10 मैंगोज और ऐड हो गए जब इसमें, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज हो गए 30 मैंगोज. देन how can you find out that firstly how many mangoes was there? Then what we will do, we take suppose number of mangoes in the basket in starting m. When you add Seema add 10 mangoes, then total mangoes become 30. Then now solve it. Then m is equal to, how can you solve it? 30 minus 10 20. It means 10 में कितना add किया जाए कि 30 बन जाए. If we add 20 plus 10, then it becomes 30. It means the value of m is equal to 20. Okay, see. Similarly, there are some of the sides of a square that we can find out the perimeter of a square. But we will do sum of all side. It means 4 multiplied by side. Consider the pattern of number. What will be the 3000 number in the above pattern? One pattern is given to you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this. Then it is asking what will be the 3007th number in this pattern. So first number 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Second number 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Third number 2 multiplied by 3, 6. It means in similar manner, if we are using, we want to find out the 3007 number, then what we will do? 2 multiplied by 3007, that is 6014 number will be there. So we can say letters may be used to represent the unknown number. कि अगर हमें कोई number unknown है, हमें उसके बारे में नहीं पता है, what will be the value of that number, we can represent it by a letter. Okay, now see some developmental exercise given to you. First example is use the symbol of algebra to write an expression which indicates the sum of any two numbers. हमें एक ऐसा algebra लिखना है जो शो करे sum of any two number. Sum of any two number we are showing. It means suppose this plus this two number sum. How we can represent in algebraically, that we take let first number is x and second number is y. So we can show that sum of two number is equal to x plus y. If you are taking any another variable, you can take a plus b. You can say L plus M. Any two variable, any two letters you can take to represent the numbers. Second, use the symbols of algebra to write the expression which indicates that a number is being added to itself. It means कोई number अपने आप से add हो रहा है. Let the number is x. x है, उसको अपने आप से ही add करना है. It means it becomes x plus x. If I take let the number is a, added itself, it means a plus a. How do the expression x plus y and x plus x differ? कि एक स्टेटमेंट है x plus y और एक स्टेटमेंट है x plus x, ये दोनों डिफर क्यों है? In this case x and y have maybe have same value or maybe have different value. x और y की वैल्यू सेम भी हो सकती है और डिफरेंट भी हो सकती है. But in this case, it is added itself. It means both the variables same. So that's why both value will be the same. It means in this I can take x2, y3, x3, y4, x3, y2. I can take this also x3 and y also 3. But it is one of the possibility in this. But in this case, it is always possible. It has always same value like this. So this type they are differ from each other. Indicate that D is to be subtracted from C. D is subtracted from C. D को subtract किया जा रहा है from C. It means we write down C minus D. C minus D. This indicates that D is subtracted from C. Okay, in algebra letters are used to represent unknown or unspecified numbers. These letters are called variables. ये जो letters हम use करते हैं किसी numbers को represent करने के लिए, these letters are called variables. Variables are used with plus or minus sign to indicate the addition or subtraction of specified number of unspecified number. कि अगर हमें addition या subtraction show करना है तो addition के लिए plus और subtraction के लिए minus we will use. Okay, now see the question. If A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4, find the value of A minus B. In this given to you, A value is 6, B value is 4, then A minus B, that is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We can put the value of A and B and can find the result in this. Okay, now see indicating multiplication and division with symbol. How to represent multiplication and division? Using m to represent the number and n to represent another. Express the product of any two number. हमें product show करना है किसी कोई भी two numbers का जिसमें से एक number है हमारे पास m and second one is n. We have two numbers m and n. वी वॉन्ट टू शो द प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट का मीनिंग होता है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. प्रोडक्ट मीनिंग इज फ्रॉम मल्टीप्लीकेशन. नाउ सी, वी कैन राइट डाउन डायरेक्टली mn. This also show the product of these two number. I can write down, I can show dot m dot n. This also show the product of these two number. I can take m and second one number in bracket n, or I can take first number in bracket and second like this. So I can show the product like this. See, if this is a variables m or n, we can show like this. But I have two numbers, suppose 2 and 3. Then how can show the product of it? If I write down like this 2, 3, then it is not a product. It becomes a single number, that 23. I want to show the product, then I can use this one, that 2.3, it means 2 3 is a 6. I show this in 2 into 3, 2 3 is a 6. 2 into 3, 3 2 is a 6. But I can't show like this m. So, see the difference properly. A dot is used as the symbol for multiplication. यहाँ जो dot use किया जाता है वो multiplication के लिए use किया जाता है. Thus m times n may be indicated as m dot n. In the second method of indicating multiplication, no symbol is used for the operation, but multiplication is automatically understood when one symbol for a number is written following another. Okay, in algebra, multiplication is indicated by placing a dot between two symbols for number. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, दोनों symbols of number, numbers के जो symbols हैं उनके बीच में dot शो कर दिया. इट शोज द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. राइटिंग वन सिंबल फॉर ए नंबर आफ्टर अनदर विद नो साइन ऑफ ऑपरेशन बिटवीन देम. हमने दोनों सिंबल को एज इट इज लिख दिया, m इंटू एन को m n. दिस ऑल्सो शो द मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इंक्लोजिंग वन और बोथ ऑफ द सिंबल इन parenthesis. These type of brackets are called parenthesis. This is the type of parenthesis. So we can use in any one parenthesis. Explain that each of the following means. If I write down 7y, what is the meaning of this 7y? It means we can say 7 number and y is a symbol for the number. So this shows the multiplication, that 7 into y. But if I write down 83, both are the numbers, then it doesn't have the meaning of multiplication. It is a single number, that is 83. But if I write down 8 and parenthesis 3, then it means that 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. So we can show like this. If p is equal to 3, q is equal to 7, p value is given to 3, q value given to 7, then find the value of pq. Then what is the meaning of pq? It means we have to do multiplication. Now we can put the value of like this and do multiplication, then you will get the result 21. Indicate that x is to be divided by y. Division, for the division x is divided to y, it means we can represent it as x divided by y. This shows we will put the y into denominator. So this shows the multiplication and division into the algebra. In the next lecture we will discuss that how to translate the words into the algebraic symbols. कि जो हमें word problems है उनको हम किस तरह से algebraic symbols या equations में represent करेंगे. Okay student, now start to revise your algebra, introduction to algebra chapter 7. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Okay student, now we will start a revision of chapter 7, introduction to algebra. Some part we already done in the previous video. Now today we will continue this chapter. Okay, see, translating words into algebraic symbols. translating words into algebraic symbols. See in this, it is given to you some operations related algebraic operation. Operations, we can say plus, minus, multiply, division. These are algebraic operations, plus, minus, multiply, division. Now see verbal expression. In this verbal expression, your first statement is given to you. In algebraic operations, suppose it is given to you n plus 14. N plus 14, how can you read it? How can we read it? See, it means n is added to 14. We can say this thing. Sum of n and 14. This also we can say directly, we can say n plus 14. For this I can say n plus 14. We can say 14 more than n, or we can say n increased by 14. Means this algebraic expression I can read it like this. Or if in the statement, in the word problem, it is given to you like this, that n is added to 14, it means n plus 14 कि n में 14 ऐड कर दिया गया. सम ऑफ n and 14, इन दोनों का सम, n plus 14 डायरेक्टली n plus 14, 14 मोर देन n, इट मीन्स n से कोई चीज़ 14 मोर देन है. इट मीन्स अगर कोई चीज़ 1 है, 4 मोर देन 14, इट मीन्स वी विल डू ऐड plus 14 in this, then it becomes 14 more than n, or we can say n increased by 14. So if these statements, if these word problems given to you, you will solve like this. Second operation, suppose given to you n minus 5. N minus 5. It means 5 is subtracted from n. n minus 5 means 5 is subtracted from n. अगर तुमने ये लिख दिया n is subtracted from 5. If I write down n is subtracted from 5. It means after from 5, it means I write down 5 firstly, then minus n. So it changes the meaning. अगर वर्ड्स चेंज होते ही उसका एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन भी क्या हो जाएगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. सो अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपरली, n minus 5 means I can say 5 is subtracted from n. We can say difference of n and 5. I can say n minus 5. Then 5 less than n means n से 5 n से less than, तो n minus 5. और we can say take away 5 from n. It means n में से 5 ले लिया गया है, तो क्या बन जाएगा, algebraic expression becomes n minus 5. Any other n 5 subtracted from n, the difference of n and 5, n decreased by 5. N decreased by 5. So these word problems we can arrange, we can change into algebraic symbols like this. If I write down 5 is subtracted from n, it means firstly come n minus 5. Suppose I said that x is subtracted from y. X is subtracted from y. Then what is the meaning this? After from y, it means y, subtract x, then y minus x. Or if I write down here that y is subtracted from x, then it changes the meaning, it becomes x minus y. Difference of n and 5, in most of the cases, difference whenever we are taking, it depends which one is greater value. It means always greater value minus smaller value. But in this case, we don't know which one is greater value. Difference of n and 5 means we write down n minus 5. n minus 5, 5 less than n. It means जितना n है उसमें से 5 लेस देन कर दिया गया कि अगर किसी की वैल्यू 20 है, आई राइट डाउन 5 लेस देन 20, इट मीन्स 20 में से 5 क्या कर दिया, माइनस कर दिया. टेक अवे 5 फ्रॉम n, सेम थिंग कि n में से 5 ले लिया जाए कि जितनी वैल्यू n की है उसमें 5 कम कर दिया जाए, दैट n माइनस 5. n डिक्रीज बाय 5, इट मीन्स n 5 से डिक्रीज हो चुका है, तो पहले जो n की वैल्यू थी उससे वो 5 से डिक्रीज हो चुकी है, इट मीन्स n माइनस 5. नेक्स्ट we take the example of multiplication. Suppose your algebraic expression is 12n. Then we can say it becomes 12 times n. 12 times n. 12 is multiplied by n. Is multiplied by n. Product of 12 and n. Product also means multiplication. Product of 12 and n, or 12 groups of n means n के 12 groups. कि I suppose I make like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Each have n members. Then what is the value of this? 12 groups multiplied by 12 into n, 12n, it means 12 groups of n. Now see division. Suppose 4 divided by y, or you can represent this one as like this also. In this you can say first 4 divided by y. 4 divided by y. Second you can say quotient of 4 and y. Quotient of 4 and y. Quotient क्या होता है? Means तुम जब y से 4 को डिवाइड करोगे तो यहाँ जो भी quotient होगा वही इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. Next 4 divided into y group. 4 divided into y group. It means 4 मेंबर्स थे उनको y ग्रुप में डिवाइड कर दिया गया और यहाँ क्या गया था? ग्रुप्स बनाए गए थे. n के ग्रुप्स थे 12, उनको एक साथ लिया तब 12 ग्रुप्स ऑफ n बने 12n. यहाँ क्या किया? एक पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू दे दी, जैसे 24 है, 24 डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 ग्रुप, तो इट मीन्स 6 मेंबर्स लेके उसके 4 ग्रुप्स बना दिए. तो 24 डिवाइड बाय 4 करेंगे देन 6, इट मीन्स ईच ग्रुप हैज 6 पर्सन. सो दीज सिंबल्स डिनोट दीज टाइप ऑफ algebraic expression. Or now in the word problem you have to change these words into algebraic symbol. Now see, let's take example. Your first question is, a rectangular box has height h centimeter, its length is 4 times the height and breadth is 6 centimeter less than the length, Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of height. See, a rectangular box has height of rectangular box is equal to h centimeter. Length given to you, statement length is मतलब equal sign 4 times height. Length is whenever you read the statement, see each statement convert into symbol. Length is equal to is means equal sign 4 times height. So we can say length is equal to 4 times मतलब multiply height h, then length becomes 4 h centimeter. Breadth is 6 centimeter less than the length. Breadth is means equal sign 6 less than the length. Breadth is 6 less than the length. It means 6 less than the length. Length में 6 माइनस कर दिया जाए. Less than word used for subtraction, and length is equal to what? 4 height. Then breadth is equal to 4h minus 6. Express the length and breadth of the box in terms of height. So length is equal to 4h centimeter in terms of height. Breadth is equal to 4h minus 6 centimeter. Okay, let's take another examples already solved in the previous videos. So we will discuss today exercise. Exercise 7th AC. Write the length of this knife. एक knife बना हुआ है. It is given to you this one 5 centimeter and this one part 8 centimeter. Then what is the length of this knife? This length is divided into 2 parts, and total length of knife is equal to 5 plus a. It means we take sum of these 2. Similarly, write the length of the screw. You can do these things. Now see the question number 5th. Write each verbal expression as an algebraic expression. Verbal expression को हमें algebraic expression में change करना है. 3 more than t. 3 more than t. It is similar if you see that in the previous we discussed one table. Here written, when I write down n plus 14, then there is a statement 14 more than n. Then it is similar or not? Here 3 more than t, it means firstly I write down t, then plus 3. We will compare with these statements and then we write down our answer. Okay, now second C. C less D. Here, when you write down n minus 5 in your example, then write down n less 5. Here given to you n less 5, it means similarly it becomes C less D, C less show the negative sign, then C minus D. Now see next, y increased by 6. Y increased by 6, and in the previous it is given to you when n plus 14, then we write down n increased by 14. Similar, it means y increased by 6, it means y plus 6. Next, m decreased by 8. When we write down this, then it is given to you n decreased by 5. So in this case we can write down it is equal to m minus 8. 5 times x. 5 times x. Time show to the multiplication. Then 5 times multiplication. Then it becomes 5x. 1/2 of x. 1/2 of x. 1/2, it means 1 by 2. Whenever you have the word of, then use the sign multiply x. It means it becomes x by 2. The sum of a and b, that is equal to a plus b. Product of 3 and q. Product also meaning multiplication. It means 3 multiplied by q is equal to 3q. The quotient of y and 10. The quotient of y and 10. When we write down this 4 divided by y, then we write down, in this case we write verbal expression as quotient of 4 and y. And here given to you the quotient of y and 10, it means firstly come y, then division sign, then u, or you can write like this also. 2 less than m. 2 less than m. It means m में से 2 less than करना है, that m minus 2. But if I write down 2 less m, then it becomes 2 minus m. So there is a difference. If I write down 2 less than m, then it becomes m minus 2. It means m में से 2 minus कर दिया. Or if I write down 2 less m, then it becomes 2 minus m. Okay student, now see the question number 6. Your exercise 7th A. In this first 5 more than 3 times p. 5 more than, it means 5 more than है तो कोई वैल्यू होगी जिसमें हम +5 करेंगे. लेस देन होता तो कोई वैल्यू जिसमें हम -5 करते. नाउ योर स्टेटमेंट इज 3 टाइम्स p. 3 टाइम्स p. टाइम्स का मतलब है मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मोर देन का मतलब होता है प्लस. तो 3 टाइम्स p मतलब 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय p, 3p, देन मोर देन प्लस 5. So your equation becomes 3p plus 5. Second C, 1 less than 6 times n. So less than means subtraction and 6 times n. It means 6 multiplied by n. Multiply. So 1 less than. It means something we will do subtraction minus 1. Then in this 6n minus 1. Next, 5 times the quantity, 5 times the quantity n minus 3. 5 times the quantity n minus 3. So what we will do? 5 times, it means 5 multiply the quantity. कौन सी quantity? n minus 3. It means n minus 3. This quantity multiply by 5. Then your equation become 5 multiply by n minus 3. 15 more than the quotient of d and 5. 15 more than the quotient of d and 5. It means 15 more than. It means something, then we do add 15. Quotient of d and 5. Then d divided by 5. So we write down d divided by 5 plus 15. Okay student. Now see question number 7. Till question number 6 completed. Question number 7 is express the answer of each of the following as an algebraic expression. It means some statements given to you and we have to change into the algebraic expression. Firstly, you self try 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th question, and then if you have any problem, or we will discuss in our next video. Okay student, thank you. Complete your 7th A exercise, revise your 7th A exercise again properly. Have a nice day.